Come on, John! Go, 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 man!
Woo! Yeah. All right, John.
Great, man!
Come on up. Woo! That's a good pace. Keep it up.
Come on, man! Almost there!
Yeah. Gotta have a stick coming up.
He has him since loop 1.
Yeah. One step at a time. You're almost here.
Great, man!
You're killing it.
Come on, this last batch. You know this part.
Yeah, John. Wow. Yeah.
Come on!
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, come on!
Couple of twists and turns.
Some
Yeah.
nice switchbacks.
Good to see you, man. Really good to see you.
Come on.
Is 5 hours enough to finish?
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
That's right on schedule.
Absolutely. This you're facing the easy well, the shorter half on this side, the easy half. Just keep that image in
Come on.
mind of you touching that yellow gate. That's what's going to pull you forward.
Go on, you know this turn.